So today we want to talk about how to make a custom GPT, and the way it's going to work. The GPTs are basically a set of rules and instructions that you provide, so the OpenAI ChatGPT can act according to that. So this is the regular environment of ChatGPT. And as you can see, we have a section called GPT. So when you click on Explore, then some GPTs are already built in, so you don't always have to create your own. So let's say you want to do some data analytics type of work. You just search for data analytics. And then, as you can see, there are already some GPTs available and you can go ahead and use them. But what if you want to have more control? What if you want to have your own system? Then you have to create your own GPT. And in order to do that, then you click on, in this environment, you click on the create. And in the create section, as you can see, there is like two subdomain or subsections. One of them is create, another one is configure. So you can just say, make me an email, rewrite an email formatter. I like to have friendly, business friendly tone, business friendly tone in my emails. Make sure to provide a subject line as well. So you just give an explanation of what needs to be done. And every GPT should have a name. So this one is actually making a suggestion: business email polisher. It is simple and clearly describes its purpose. Would you like to go with the name, or do you want to prefer something else? So when you look under configure, there is a name section, there is a description section, there is a instructions. So based on that one paragraph that we said, you see it is already filling this out. Like description is rewrites and formats emails within a polished business friendly tone and the subject line. So it says, is this a good name? Business email polisher? Yes, it's a good name. Yes, this is a good name. This is a good name. There we go. And then as you can see, it also provided an image. Yes. The image is good. So, and it is asking questions that do you want it to focus more on conscientiousness, warmth, persuasiveness, or maintain neutrality? And I think because it's a business environment, let's choose the neutrality. And then answer all the questions and conversations. Keep it polished. Keep it polished. Okay, so it says it is now ready to use, and you can go ahead and test it. Before we tested all the interactions we had up to this point, they are showing in this section. You can see the name, you can see the image, you can see the instructions, and GPT itself, it improved the instructions we gave it. And then there is this thing, conversation starters, that like you see these 4 boxes in this area. These are referring to these 4 boxes here. And each of them, so it's basically making the job easier for users. So the first time when you start using it, instead of typing what you want to do, you can click on one of those 4 options. Rewrite this email to sound more professional, format this email for a client follow-up, polish this internal team email, create a neutral business-friendly version of this email. That is interesting. And if you have even more instructions, or you have like a file, like a signature or data that you need on every email to be attached or used, you can upload file here as well. So let's go ahead, create it and test it. Create only me. And if you want to make it available to your friends or network, you can use this option. If you want to publish it in GPT store, similar to the ones that we showed earlier, this is the option. And if you just wanted to use it for yourself, and because this is just for test and training purposes, let's use it only that option, and then save. And then view GPT. All right, so this is our GPT business email polisher. You can either start testing it out here, or you can just click on one of these options, polish this internal. Let's pick one of them and test it out. Okay, format this email for a client follow. Okay, I clicked on that. Of course, please share the draft of your email, and I will format and polish it. Okay, so this is a sample email I provided here, and I want to test it out to see how it would improve this. Yeah, it gave us a subject line, it gave us the body of the email, and it puts the placeholders, your full name. However, inside that instructions, you could say, hey, always use my name Sam, or title, I don't know, I'm a data scientist, I'm a doctor, I'm something. If you provide those instructions here, it will always follow that, and you have the email that you're looking for. Yep. So this is how you make a custom GPT. And remember, the custom GPTs could be in different fields. You can make a GPT to summarize an article, to create an image, to do some data analytics, I don't know, to create a PDF file. There is a variety of tasks. And basically the concept behind GPT is whatever, if there is a task that every time you should provide instructions, instead of just doing that repeatedly to provide the same instructions, which is inefficient, just go ahead and build a GPT, and it will make the job more efficient and faster. And also it can make improvements. So every time that you run a GPT and you don't get the answers you were looking for, or it is overall good but not exact, then you update those instructions accordingly. And every time this GPT keeps getting better. Thank you for listening. If there is a task or anything AI related, if there is any questions or any project that you want me to discuss, please write a comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. I appreciate it. All right, have a good day.